Hello everyone, welcome to OT Closet. This is Miss Olga, occupational therapist. Let's trace, color, and lace to make some rainbow shoes. You need to get pair of shoes, laces, hole puncher and scissors, and cardboard paper. Get some markers or crayons. When we finish, I have a surprise for you. If you're ready, let's begin. Take your left shoe and trace it just like me. Now let's do your right shoe. Now it's time to cut. I'll place the sticker on top so I will know where the top is. Let's cut out your shoe print. I will make 8 marks so I know where to hole punch. Do the same on the other shoe print. Now count and make sure each shoe print has 8 holes. Let's use the colors of the rainbow and color your shoe. First color is red. Copy me. Next color is orange. After that, it's yellow. Can you get green next? Next color is blue. Next is indigo. And last color is violet. Copy me. Get your shoelaces and let's lace now. Now it's time to practice tying your shoes. Build a teepee, come inside, close it tight so we can hide. Bunny ears, playing by the tree, crisscross the tree, trying to catch me. Bunny ears, jumped into the hole, popped out the other side, beautiful and bold. Do the same for your left foot. First you lace it and then you tie it. Build a teepee, come inside, close it tight so we can hide. Bunny ears, playing by the tree, crisscross the tree, trying to catch me. Bunny ears, jumped into the hole, popped out the other side, beautiful and bold. That was so much fun. Now it's time for your surprise. It's a launcher. Thanks for playing with me today. I will see you in my next video. Bye!